What's up guys, this is Gina. Welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so I have a special video for you guys today. I am doing a luxury unboxing video. So, if you guys don't know, my birthday is coming up. I am a Scorpio. My birthday is November the 16th. So, I wanted to treat myself to an item, something that I've been eyeballing for a while. So, if you guys watched my other video, like about 1 or 2 videos before this one, I showed you guys how to get Louis Vuitton for cheap, pre-loved Louis Vuitton items. And one of those items that I showed you guys was a Neverfull MM bag. And as you saw, my Neverfull MM bag, it was already a pre-loved bag, and then I've already had it for about maybe like 4 or 5 years. So it is very loved, and the leather was starting to wear, it was starting to crack, the straps were wearing down. So I wanted to treat myself to a new bag, and that is what I did. So I went to the Louis Vuitton store, as I showed you guys in one of my vlogs that I just recently posted, and the Neverfull is like sold out everywhere. It's one of their most popular bags. The price isn't too crazy. It is expensive. The price isn't too crazy, and it's a really big tote bag that looks really cute, and so it's really popular. A lot of people get it. So I actually called the corporate office. I went to the Louis Vuitton store here in Houston, and the guy gave me his card. He was like, just check back every couple of days. He was like, we might get in 1 or 2 a week. He was like, and they usually go that first day that they're delivered. So I was calling. They weren't getting any in. So I called the corporate number back, and they checked inside Saks Fifth Avenue, and I want to say, was it Neiman Marcus? I don't know, but it was another store. And Saks Fifth Avenue had it. They said that they showed one in their inventory, so I hurried up, hung up with the corporate office. I called Saks. They were like, yes, we have one. It was literally just shipped this morning. So if you want it, you need to get here and get it. So I literally, thank God I was off that day. I sped there and I got it. So this is the box here that it comes in. It is a pretty jumbo box. It has a little bow right here. If I can get it off. Now, before I show you the bag, I'm gonna show you guys the receipt. You know, you gotta build up anticipation. So this is the receipt that it came in. Like I said, I got it from Saks, but Louis Vuitton has like a little store inside of our Saks. And so this is the receipt here. The bag was $13.20, and with tax here I paid $14.28.90. Very expensive, but like I said, I wanted to treat myself. My birthday is right around the corner, and I feel like I deserved it, and I can put my other one to rest. So I wish I could just open it and show you guys. Let's see. Oh, so it's nicely wrapped. It has paper here. Here's like a Louis Vuitton sticker holding it. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the white. It kind of like washes out. So it comes in this dust bag here. And y'all, I've had fake Louis Vuitton, real Louis. You can definitely tell a difference between a real Louis Vuitton duster and a fake one. Let me tell you. And here she is. This is the Neverfull MM. Let me unstrap it so I can just show you guys. Here it is. It's been folded up in that box, so it kind of has like a little crease in it. This is my very first brand new Louis that I bought on my own, like it just makes me so happy. Like, I bought this all on my own. She's not pre-loved, she is mine. So the straps are very, very bright when you first get a Louis Vuitton bag. The inside is that like fuchsia magenta color. They come in just like a light tan, a red, and then a fuchsia or pink color. And I really didn't care what interior I got. My other one is that, you know, regular tan color, and this is that fuchsia one. It has the adjustable straps here on the side, so you can bring it up tight. Some people I've seen with their bags folded inward like this on the side, and then they bring this part up to tighten it so it stays in. But I will just be carrying mine like this. It comes with a little wristlet clutch that is attached on the inside. So this is cute if you're going out, like let's say to the club or something, or just out to a nice dinner and you don't want like a big old bag. You have your wristlet that you can carry. And it's actually a really good size clutch. It will fit everything you need in here, your money, your ID, your keys. And it also has like a little sectional pouch in here. And it does have the fuchsia color at the top. It has that cute little pop of color. So this comes with it. I can't wait till the straps start turning colors. I'm not gonna, I know there's videos out there where you can patina them with like oil and sunlight. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna let it do its thing on its own. I've had plenty of Louis and they will start turning pretty quickly. Right here where you hold them is usually where it turns dark first. So just the oil and sweat from our hands. But guys, I love it, and you can fit so much stuff inside of it. Let me show you guys what it looks like full. So this is kind of how it's gonna sit. I put a really big full makeup bag inside of here. So the makeup bag is like taking up pretty much like half the purse on the inside. So this is what she looks like, y'all. I mean, it is just so beautiful. I know I am a frugal woman, but like I said, I just needed to treat myself, and it just feels so good to buy something for yourself, especially something that you've been wanting for such a long time. All right, and just to kind of show you guys the difference between the brand new one and the one that is pre-loved, just to show you guys, this is the pre-loved one. Everything is dark patinaed. The straps are very dark. As you can see, it's always darker where your hand is holding. And it is just very, very worn. I don't know if you can see, but it's like the leather is cracking here around the edges. The leather all right here is cracking. It is just a very, very, very worn, very loved bag. The inside is just that regular tan. Hopefully I can hold them up side by side to show you guys. So this is the old one, this is my new one. You see how even stiff the leather is? Like the straps just stay up. On this one, you see my straps are just folded over because it's just been worn so much. So this bag is a lot stiffer. The inside, you can see the difference. I really didn't care about the color on the inside. I just like the bag itself. But other than that, there's no differences. The bags are the exact same. Louis Vuitton, they keep their like statement, you know, their pieces that just go on from season to season, and the Neverfull is one of them. They do little tiny tweaks here and there, like the color on the inside. Sometimes they'll make Neverfull like special edition ones that have like little patches on them, army fatigue. They have done like paint splatter, all different kind of little stuff. But this is just to show you guys a comparison of my old one and my new one. So I was thinking of, like I said, I always mention a Poshmark, getting a Poshmark and maybe putting this on there for maybe like really dirt cheap, maybe like about 200 bucks or something. And if there's somebody out there that wants it, you know, they can just get it for really cheap. I mean, $200 for an authentic Louis is a steal. And she definitely still has time on her to be worn. And guys, while I was there, I was with my boyfriend, and we were looking at little jewelry, we were looking at like jewelry and stuff while we were being helped, and I saw some really cute bracelets that they had. And so he asked me if I wanted one, and of course I said yeah. So he bought me a Louis Vuitton bracelet. I'm trying to take the bow off, but this is how you open it. You pull it out like a little drawer, and it comes with a little Louis Vuitton baggie here. And this is how it looks, guys. Hopefully you can see. All right, guys, so this is the bracelet. This gold buckle here is where it clamps. It has the LV logo going all around it. I got it in the size small. They had in two sizes. They have this small one, then they had one that was a size bigger than this, but it was, for me, it felt too big. This one sits right at my wrist. Let me show you how it looks on. Ooh, that's a little difficult to put on by yourself because it like slides in and out. But this is how it looks. I think it is so cute. They had like 3 or 4 other styles. This was the biggest one, and this was the cheapest one, which I thought was kind of weird for it to be the biggest one. And it was the only one that held the LV logo going around it. All the rest had like the stars or clovers going around it, and they were more expensive. They had some that had like a little lock and key hanging off of them, and some that were just like really thin like a rope. But this is so cute. Let me tell you how much it was. So for this little bracelet with taxes, it was $245. So with tax, it was $265.21. Yes, that's very expensive for a bracelet, but I absolutely love it, and it's gonna look so cute while I am holding my bag. It's hard to even show you guys, but I'll be like holding my bag like this, and I have the bracelet on. So this is just really cute. I'll be wearing my bag, my real bag, my real bracelet with my fake boots. Y'all know how I do. I can mix the real and the fake together. I have no shame. All right, guys, so here is my bag. Once again, another look for you guys. Very simple, very cute. I love it. And here is my bracelet. All right, guys, thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And until next time, bye.